Hello everyone, this is Brandon with Agency Intel Support, here to give you guys a brief rundown on how to download, install, and set up Communicator for first time use. Now, for demonstration purposes, I'm running Mac 10.8.5 firmware, but the download and install options are going to be the same for Windows users. So, step one, you want to go ahead and open up your primary internet browser and navigate to agencyintel.com. So go ahead and fire up Firefox, and we'll go to agencyintel.com. And then from the screen, you want to go ahead and click Login. Alright, your company name. For me, it's going to be Demo. Email is going to be the email that you gave to your manager or the person responsible for setting up your account on the intranet. So go ahead and enter that in. And then password. First time users, if you have never been in the back office before, your password is going to be password, the word password with a lowercase p. Alright, for those of you that have been in the back office before, it's going to be the password that you changed it to when prompted to do so at your first login. So you want to go ahead and type that in and hit login. Alright, and here you are. You are now at the home portal of your back office. Alright, so what we need to do now is we need to get Communicator on your guys' machines so you guys can start making calls. Alright, so you're going to want to go to support and then down to Communicator. Go ahead and click. Alright, and then for those of you on a Windows machine, you're going to want to click right here where it says Windows Download. Click here. You want to go ahead and click on that. Alright, but since I'm on a Mac, I'm going to go ahead and hit Download right here. Alright. You're going to be prompted with save or save as. Go ahead and do so. Alright, and you're going to notice that it's already been downloaded to your computer. Now, do not close your back office portal. Alright, leave it open, but minimize it. Alright. Now, you want to find that file that you just downloaded, the Communicator file you just downloaded, and it should be compressed or in a .zip or zip file. You want to go ahead and double click it or right click it and decompress or unzip. And be sure that you set it to something or send it somewhere that you can easily access. For instance, mine just opens up in the downloads folder. For most Windows users, it's going to set it to your desktop, which is perfectly fine. Alright, so now you have an executable file for Windows users, or Mac users, you're going to have a .dmg. Go ahead and double click on that file, and you're going to notice that a license agreement pops up. You're going to want to go ahead and accept it. Print it for those of you that want to print it and have a hard copy, but go ahead and accept the agreement. And you're going to notice it's going to go ahead and install this onto your machine. Alright. Now, Mac users, you're going to have to click and drag the Communicator icon right here. You're going to click it and drag over to your applications folder. Easy as that. Alright. Congratulations, guys. You have now successfully downloaded and installed Communicator. But now we get into the fun stuff. Setting it up so you guys can start making your calls. So you want to go ahead and close out of everything you have open other than your back office. Alright. And you want to go ahead and find that program file that you just installed. Now, for Mac users, it's going to be either in your Launchpad or your Applications folder in Finder. And Windows users, it's going to be, I'm pretty sure the default spot is going to be your desktop. But if not, go ahead and go down to Start, and you can either search for it. You click on the search box and go ahead and type in Communicator, or you can go to All Programs and scroll down till you see a Communicator file. Click on that and then go ahead and open the file. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up right here. Your first time use of Communicator on a Mac, you guys are going to want to go ahead and open the file. It's going to prompt you that it's been downloaded from an outside source. Outside source to a Mac is just disclosing that you downloaded it from something outside of the App Store. Alright, Windows users, I don't believe will be prompted with anything. But you should get a little gray box, such as the one you see here. Go ahead and erase that real quick. It'll be empty. All three fields will be empty. Other than the username is going to have the faint gray text that says username or phone number. When doing this, guys, your login server, all right, your login server is going to be communicator.agencyintel.com. All right, your username is going to be your company name that you used to log into your back office, hyphen or minus sign, and then the email address you used to sign into your back office. So it should look as it shows. For me, because I'm using demonstration software and utilities, it's going to be demo and then demo at demo. All right, yours could be, whatever it is you use to sign into your back office. All right, password. Password is going to be that password that you changed your login password to. Seeing as you've made it this far into downloading and installing Communicator, you should not use the default password. It should be something that you set up when prompted to do so after that first login. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and type that in. And after you type in your password, guys, you want to go ahead and click Remember Details so you don't have to type in all this every time you want to sign in. And when doing that, you're going to notice that the second option down here, Sign In Automatically, you're going to notice it goes from a locked state where you can't click on it to an interactive option. Sign in automatically pretty much just means anytime that you completely shut down your machine and you power it back on, if you have sign in automatically, it's going to go ahead and pull the program up and log you in. More so, you could close the program even when your machine does not shut down. If you completely close the program or kill the operation leading to Communicator, next time you bring up the program, it's going to go ahead and sign you in and get the ball rolling for you a little bit smoothly, or more smooth than whatever bump in the road you might encounter. But for demonstration purposes, I'm not going to go ahead and check that, but I'm going to go ahead and type in my password here and hit login. Now, guys, you see where it says you currently do not have a license key? Don't worry, you guys got it. When you guys were signed up and set up in your guys' back office, each individual agent was assigned a license key. Now, remember how I told you not to close Agency Intel's back office? This is why. You guys want to go ahead and pull up your internet again to that back office page, and you can go ahead and hover over Home and go down to My Profile. Alright. Now, once here, you're going to notice you're in your associate profile. Now, you want to go ahead and scroll down, and down here, you're going to see where it says Communicator License. All right. You want to click and hold right before the first character and drag until just after the last character. All right. Now, you can either right-click, copy, or you can do Control-C or Command-C for those on a Mac. Alright, and then you want to go ahead and pull your Communicator back up, and then you can either right click paste, or you can do Control V for Victor, Control V, or Command V, and that's going to paste that in there for you guys. Now, you want to be sure you didn't pick up any extra spaces, whether it be from when you copied it from your associate profile. You want to be sure that there are no more spaces before that first character. And then you just want to click back here somewhere behind the last character and make sure you didn't pick up any spaces behind that. Alright. Now, after you have successfully pasted your license key, you want to go ahead and hit Set, and it's going to continue the login process for you on Communicator. And there you go, guys. It's going to say all accounts are enabled, the phone is ready, and there you go. You are now good to go and ready to use your new Communicator. This has been Brandon with Agency Intel Support. I hope this demonstration helps you guys, helped you guys out in the download, install, and initial use phase of Communicator. If there's anything else that we here at Agency Intel Support can do for you guys, don't hesitate to give us a call. Thank you, and have a great day.